No, right, got a special train coming past 6 Whiskey 03 from Bescott Engineering Sidings to Ashok Tewkesbury. Presumably this might be either 66 or this might be one of the cleaner trains. But it looks like it's holding more trucks to me. I'm about to call you Miley. Ryan. I'm getting my names mixed up. What is this going to be? Because we've got two. We've got a Reading. So we've got from Kingsall to Norwich at Plant Depot to Reading Triangle. Is it Reading Triangle Sidings? Sidings? I don't know what that one's going to be. This is like a 66 to me. A Freightliner. Is this a 66? Yeah. DB66 044. Ah! Holding about 20 trucks. Holding about 20 network rail trucks from Bescott Engineering Sidings to Ashok to Tewkesbury. I don't know what they're going to do there, but they're taking some engineering trucks down. That was very nice, Ryan. We've got one more special train and that is it. And then there's one more fast train for Daddy.